Maraming financial advisors, ang akala nila, kulang sila sa sipag. Pero minsan, ang totoo, masyado ka nang masipag para sa system na masyadong mahina. May tatlong bagay na napapansin ko ngayon sa maraming financial advisors. And madalas, ito yung dahilan kung bakit kahit sincere ka, masipag ka, yung tipong kahit may substance ka naman, parang ang hirap pa rin pagalawin ng market mo. Parang every client conversation, every referral o every sale may kasamang friction. Ang masakit kasi doon, hindi naman kakulangan ng sipag yun. Actually, minsan, sipag pa nga ang problema. Years ago kasi, natutunan ko to sa medyo mabigat na paraan. Nalugi ang isa kong business. And yes, nawalan kami ng pera. Medyo malaki din, 1 million pesos. And hindi yun madali. Kasi syempre pinaghirapan namin yun. Pero ang mas masakit doon, yung nawala ang illusion. Akala ko kasi dati, okay na yung basta masipag ka, committed ka, eventually uusad ka din. Pero hindi pala ganun yun. Because effort by itself is not a strategy. Sipag without infrastructure becomes burnout with good intentions. And when I look at the financial advisor market, I keep seeing the same pattern. Maraming matitino, sincere, at may real value. Pero bakit parang madugo pa din yung bawat movement? Ito yung tatlong dahilan. Number 1, you are over-relying on manual effort. Maraming advisors ang sobrang hardworking. Nagpo-post, nagpo-follow up, nagme-message, nag-a-adjust ng spiel, nagpaparamdam, naghahabol. Sa labas, mukha siyang disiplina. Pero from a structural standpoint, ang tawag dun madalas is manual survival. And mahirap yun because when every sale depends on your energy, your presence, follow-up, chasing, you're convincing, wala kang business architecture. Ang meron ka, labor. And there's a big difference. Hindi sapat na lagi kang active, hindi sapat na visible ka. And mind you, hindi din enough na mabait at masipag ka. If the market still can't read your value, nang malinaw, nang hindi mo kailangan pa ulit-ulit i-explain yung sarili mo, then your effort is doing work that your positioning should have been doing for you. And expensive yun. Emotionally, socially, commercially expensive. That's what I mean when I say a lot of people are paying an incompetence tax without realizing it. Not because they are weak, but because they are building through repetition na dapat sinusolusyonan through structure. Number 2, you are confusing likability with commercial trust. Ito yung isa sa pinakamahal na mistake sa advisory space. May mga advisor na very likable. Magaan sila kausap, warm, respectful, masipag sila mag-follow through, and sincere naman yung vibes nila. Mahalaga naman talaga yun. But let's be honest, maraming tao ma-appreciate ka without ever deciding to trust you with a financial decision. Because likability creates comfort. Commercial trust creates commitment. And magkaiba yun. May mga taong gusto ka, pero hindi ka nila nakikitang necessary. At sa high-stake decisions, nagmamatter yung gap na yun. Lalo na sa Filipino market, dito maraming tao polite. Magpapasalamat, ngingiti,